Hello and welcome to London. Right, so what we've got here, we've got King's Road down there, and on the left we have this apartment block which looks very exclusive, very pleasant. I think this went up probably towards the end of the 1950s, and this went up on a site of something which had been part of a college. I think it was a teacher training college, and later it was purchased by the British Union of Fascists. So today it's called Whitelands House. So I think it was Whitelands College. And so this was purchased by Oswald Mosley around 1930 or thereabouts. I don't quite know exactly when. And so this was their headquarters for the United Kingdom. Obviously the building was totally different then as a training college. It was also said to be a barracks where the fascists would actually hang out and sleep if necessary. Now there's a number of photographs and for example there's one with a bugler standing, I think, in this street here. And there's another one with a couple of fascists standing with black shirts standing outside one of the doors, which again I think is actually taken in this street, although we can't actually see much more apart from that. So I'm bringing all this up because I'm now doing one or two videos on the British Union of Fascists and what they did, particularly at Battle of Cable Street, 1936, this espionage links between the fascists and Nazi Germany and the likes. And so, if you're interested in this type of thing, I shall be uploading the videos before long, and so you might want to subscribe. I upload every Friday, 2000 hours. My time. I'm usually in Poland or in Germany. Okay, now I'm in London, so it's been 1900 hours here, and I shall be telling you more about that then. So from me on the King's Road, note of some great things in British culture. This is where the Sex Pistols hung out. It's also where the Pet Shop Boys met down here as well. So it's all sorts of good acts meeting here, but there were some bad acts as well, such as Oswald Mosley. So all the best from me, and thanks for watching.